Have you ever wondered how your body stays clean on the inside even though you eat and drink different things every single day? Your blood is constantly carrying nutrients to your cells, but it also picks up waste products that could be harmful if they stayed in your system. Your kidneys are the two bean-shaped organs in your back that act like a high-tech filtration plant for your blood. Think of your kidneys like a coffee filter. When you pour coffee through a filter, the liquid passes through but the grounds stay behind. Your kidneys do something similar with your blood. They take in blood from your heart and separate the useful parts from the waste. The process begins in a tiny structure called the glomerulus. This is a small cluster of blood vessels that acts like a sieve. As blood flows into this sieve, the pressure pushes water and small molecules like salt and generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.